Hello, this is Serge from Truck Dispatcher Training. Today I will tell you about how to find the load, mark yours if necessary, find the right tools for the loads, and more. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell to be the first to see new videos. I will teach you to do it in the DAT Load Board and Power Office. If you find that your Power Office platform is missing some of the features you will see in this video, you can install them from the link below in the video description. If you have been using DAT Power Office for a long time, then you may have noticed that simple things like quickly finding information can greatly simplify your work and save time. If you haven't used the platform before, be sure to try these features at work. So let's get started. On the main page of the platform, where you can see all the possibilities and the exact place where you will do everything. To get started, you need to add your cargo or find someone else's. If you understand all the possibilities of the platform, you can see that you have the opportunity to create your own onboard profile. You already created catalogs. When buying an additional subscription into RateView, along with access to hot market maps and other money-making features in the toolbox drop-down, then you can get rating access to maps of other more popular markets and other earning process. Before starting to make things easier, you should enter an index. This will allow you not to specify the city when searching or adding cargo. It will be enough just to keep an approximate location or zone. So let's try to add our truck. To begin, on the main menu of the program, you need to select Postal Trucks, which is located at the top of the page. In this form, you need to enter information about your cargo. This can be the time and days when your truck is free. To make work easier and save time, you need to click on the Shift key. With its help, you can choose several dates, the period in which the cargo is free, etc. Next, you need to choose a city. In this item, you can select several cities, villages, or regions as a destination. Be sure to indicate, do you agree to fully load the truck or only partially? After that, enter data about the size of the truck so that the customer understands whether your offer is suitable for him. Then you just need to enter your contact details so that you can be contacted. Maybe your truck is different from others? Then mention it in the comment section of the ad. Then it's easy. Just click the Publish button. After your cargo ad is published, the program will immediately take you to a page with similar ads. They update in real time, so you have something to compare it to. Next, let's talk about how to find the truck you need. In the search section, you need to enter all the aspects you need that the cargo you're looking for should have. If the program doesn't find what you need or doesn't find anything, you can adjust the search results. To do this, you need to select the search results you want to change and adjust the slider tools in Advanced Search. Also, to simplify the work, the program will give you not only the exact results you want, but also the most similar results. For example, a shipment may be suitable for you in items of size and location, but may not be suitable for the date you are looking for a shipment. That is, similar search results may not be very different, but they can help you find them. If you don't understand anything, the program has a built-in chat where you can ask the questions you need. Be sure to try to familiarize yourself with the application in more details. Perhaps you will find additional tools you can adjust your feed so that you see only the ads that are interesting to you. And if you have questions or need help, you can find answers to frequently asked questions by clicking on the question mark at the top of the page. We have a checklist with all the instructions about the logistic business. It will help you to run your business successfully and be sure you won't be put out of service. In the first part of the checklist, you can read how to grow your company. There is info about the BOC3, UCR, and CO authority. Next, we'll tell you which load boards are more profitable and useful. what is IFTA, and what paperwork you need. After that, we have all the information about drivers. What is IRP, which ELD is the most popular, and so on. Of course, you should know about different types of equipment and which will be more profitable. Finally, there you can find information about all types of inspections and what you will need for them. This is the end of my story. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to like it. Do not forget to watch other videos. Maybe you will find something that you could not find before. Subscribe to the channel and do not forget to set the bell to be the one of the first to see new videos. Bye-bye.